is looking at creating simple motion by controlling X position and Y position and manipulating those with speed and watching their position and changing their direction. So there's a lot going on here in this short 36 lines of code. So we've got a variable for X position, a variable for Y position. We've got a variable for speed, and speed is essentially the value being added to the X or Y position. So speed X and speed Y have two different variables, and that's basically so it'll move in a slightly unusual way. And then we've got side, which is a variable for the size. So if we look down through the code, we can see we're drawing a rectangle, X position, Y position, side, side. We're iterating up the location of the rectangle by adding speed X and speed Y. And then we have two conditionals here. The first one is checking the X position location to make sure that when it reaches the side, either the 0 point on the x-axis or the width point on the x-axis, so the left side or right side. You can see here I've also got plus side divided by 2 and minus side divided by 2, and it might make more sense to just play this so I can point out what's happening. So basically what this check is doing is it's adding the size of the rectangle divided by 2, so the size is 30, so 15, and it's adding 15. So if it reaches 0 plus 15, or if it reaches 15, then it takes the speed and multiplies it by -1, so it basically changes this from adding speed x, adding 5, to adding a -5, which is the same as subtracting 5. And we have, so this controls the X position, and this controls the Y position. And so every time you multiply the speed value by -1, it goes from a positive 5 to a -5, and then if you multiply it by -1 again, it goes to positive 5 again. So it flips back and forth. Okay.